There is a place in Jeonju that is famous for its beautiful night view. It is called Dongnung Palace and Wolji Pond. Built in AD 674 during the unified Silla dynasty, Dongnung was the residence of the king's son, the crown prince, and the pond beside it was named Wolji. It is considered one of the most beautiful night spots in Jeonju, along with Woljongyu Bridge, and a place you should not miss during your Jeonju trip. Whisper your love under the unforgettable night sky of Jeonju tonight.